Hey everyone! Today I'm going to talk to you about our Qualified Distributor Kit. This kit is valued at $1,084 and upon joining you will have access to this demonstrator kit at only $395. So you save up to a massive 63%. Today I'm going to show you exactly what's inside this distributor demo kit and show you why you need it. So upon receiving a Qualified Distributor Demo Kit, you will get this pretty box from SeneGence. Keep in mind as well, it literally only took me 2 business days to get this product to my door, which generally all my product orders do, so I absolutely love that. So basically inside this kit is the lips kit, only you get some added bonuses. So we do have the lips kit for $95. However, this is the Qualified Distributor Demonstrator Kit, so it works out much better value. I'm going to show you the contents inside. Oh, and they're full-size LipSense tubes. In the lips kit, they're tester size, these full size. Brilliant because you can on-sell them if you decide. So the first thing I'm going to show you inside this Qualified Distributor Demonstrator Kit is the actual lips kit within it. 50 disposable LipSense applicators for on-the-spot demoing. 20 Glossy Gloss samples for your customers to try. You also receive 6 LipSense tester tubes along with 1 full-size Glossy Gloss and 1 Oops remover. You also receive 5 beauty books, which are also known as catalogues. However, we love to call them beauty books. You will also receive a packet of customer purchase receipts so you can take orders on the spot no matter where you are, and a distributor glamour demo training guide. Also enclosed is this SeneBlue portfolio, so you can carry its entire contents within here, from your LipSense to your catalogues. You can carry it all no matter where you are. Hold on my piece of paper now. So on top of everything that you get inside the lips kit, within this kit you also get all of these full-size products. Now these products here are a massive $804 value. When you've even paid $395 for this kit, can you say, oh my god, that is amazing? Enclosed is 12 LipSense colours, and you can choose from neutral or bold kits, 9 glossy glosses, 3 matte glosses, 6 Oops removers. Also within this Qualified Distributor Demonstrator Kit, you will get a SeneSite website for 3 months and a SeneBiz app access for 3 months as well. When it comes time that the 3 months is almost over, you will be asked if you wish to purchase the SeneSite website and the access to the app on either a monthly or pay on a yearly basis. The choice is completely yours, or you can choose to not continue with it at all. What is a SeneBiz app, you ask? Basically, it's an app that you can download on your phone to keep you in the loop with all the SeneGence updates. From training to product flyers and product knowledge, you will have it all at your fingertips. So if you are looking to start a SeneGence career on a budget or be a kitnapper, this is a fantastic option for you when you can save 63% on our products. Usually our maximum discount on products is 50%, so this is a bargain. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!